Every year, Leinbach Services blesses one homeowner in the Tri-Cities with a new heat pump. Throughout the year, we receive entries from locals in hopes of winning a total heat pump replacement package. Just days before Thanksgiving, anticipation builds as finalists wait to see if a new heat pump gets delivered to their home this year. Rosemary Cox is from Blountville, Tennessee. Her inside air handler was rusted from a leak that's been causing problems for years.
Is that your dad?
Yep.
Does that mean I won?
Yep.
Oh my God, I won!
Well, cool. You want to come see your new heat pump?
Yes.
She was so excited when she saw Jim pull in her driveway with the heat pump in the back of his truck. Terry and Jim said the reason they give away a new heat pump every year is to celebrate the anniversary of their company being in business. They're thankful all year long for the community, but particularly like to celebrate at Thanksgiving. Today, Rosemary's home is more comfortable. Her power bills will go down and she will avoid costly repairs.